Something is stopping you every day. It is not loud fear. It is a quiet habit in your head. You say small things that keep you still. You think you are being careful, but you are actually stuck. This video shows that hidden habit. You plan to start tomorrow. You say, I need more time. Then you scroll for 10 more minutes. You feel safe in that little delay. It feels normal and harmless, but it becomes a habit. Habit builds a silent wall around your goals. A voice says, not now. Another voice worries about failure. The voices sound like advice. They keep you from trying. You confuse caution with protection. You do less and feel less brave. That is the quiet, daily sabotage. This habit is negative self-talk. It hides as caution and planning. It sounds smart and safe, but it steals your small steps. Small steps add up to big change. When you remove small steps, nothing changes. That is why the habit is more dangerous than fear. The habit grows from tiny choices. Each excuse is a brick. Bricks build a wall around action. You don't notice the wall at first. Later, you wonder why you never moved. The quiet habit feels like your voice, but it is learned, not true. The cost is lost time and confidence. You avoid small risks forever. You feel safe, but empty. You compare and you shrink. The habit hides your true wants. It trades courage for excuses. That trade costs your future. First, notice the voice. Name the thought when it appears. Say, that is my habit. Naming lowers its power. You become the witness, not the victim. Awareness is the first step to change. Practice noticing every day. Ask a simple question. Is this true? Many negative thoughts are not true. Test the thought with small actions. If it fails, learn. If it works, keep going. Questions break the habit's loop. Use curiosity instead of fear. Curiosity opens a tiny door. Start with a tiny step today. Do something that takes 2 minutes. Small wins build momentum. Repeat the tiny step for a week. Each repeat weakens the habit. Momentum makes the voice quieter. Tiny steps become your new habit. Say, I am a doer. Repeat when doubt appears. Identity guides action more than motivation. Small acts confirm the new identity. Choose identity over excuses. This choice is empowering and simple. It slowly replaces negative talk. Reframe failure as feedback. Say, I learned one thing. Learning beats staying safe. Mistakes are data, not identity. Use small experiments to learn fast. Experiments lower the cost of trying. Lower cost means more action. Set 3 short rules for your inner voice. Rule 1. Ask, is this true? Rule 2. Do 1 2-minute test. Rule 3. Praise the effort, not result. These simple rules change the loop. Repeat them when doubt arrives. Rules make a kinder inner coach. Share tiny steps with one person. A partner keeps you honest. Celebrate small wins together. Accountability weakens negative talk. Choose someone who cares, not judges. Social support makes change easier. Say your tiny plan out loud. Change one thing in your space. Remove an easy distraction. Put a visible reminder of action. The room should invite small steps. Tiny cues help form tiny habits. Design beats willpower for most people. Use your space to be kinder to yourself. Stack a new 2-minute habit after a routine. After coffee, write 1 sentence. After brushing teeth, sketch 1 idea. Small anchors make habits stick. Habit stacking removes daily friction. Do this for 14 days in review. You will see the negative voice quieten. Celebrate the smallest wins. Reward a 2-minute action. Rewards build positive loops. Then adjust the plan if needed. Keep experiments short and kind. Growth is patient and steady. Small celebrations change your inner story. Meet Sarah, who whispered, I can't. She started with 2 minutes of writing. She shared it with one friend. After 2 weeks, she had a page. Her quiet voice lost its hold. She did not stop being afraid. She learned to act despite fear. This is not about big willpower. It is about small, consistent choices. You can start with 2 minutes now. Say the 3 rules out loud. Tell one person your tiny plan. Change one small thing in your space. Then watch how the voice changes. Fear whispers. Habit shouts quietly. You cannot stop the whisper, but you can change the habit. Start tiny, be kind, repeat. Over time, courage becomes normal. The quiet wall slowly opens. The real enemy fades when you act. Begin your 2-minute step now.